Hello everybody, it's Larry and welcome to 2 at 2. So here we go. Today we're going to talk about something we once talked about in the channel, but it was been over a year ago, and that is printing. Okay, so if I go to my tree, and I pull it up, and let's say I want to print a family group sheet. So I've got it now in Larkin Brown. I can go to family group sheet, and when I click print, notice my default printer says Cute PDF Writer. Well, what is this? Well, if you go to cutepdf.com and use Cute PDF Writer, okay, not the converter, they've got some of these other stuff, so you can use those too. I mean, it's a great site, but it's free software for personal use, commercial, government, or education use. You just click download more and use this, and you set it up to be your default printer. So when I click this, I can say add, this family group sheet is going to create a PDF of this page. So I actually don't have to use paper. So now I'm going to see family group sheet for Larkin Daniel Brown, and it's already there. I'm going to say yes, I want to replace it because I've done some previous edits on this video. So now I have that family group sheet. So if I go back and I wanted to print somebody else, I just print their group sheets and I can get a group sheet for every person and organize those on my computer the same way as I would on a bookshelf. Saves a lot of bookshelf room. And for those of you like me who've gone through family number 1, family number 2, and now on family number 3, having to reprint all that stuff is kind of a pain when you can simply archive the folder. If I want to print this tree, it brings up a different page, which is kind of neat. But it's also kind of confusing because it tries to get you to use a paid service. But go ahead and click print, and again, the default Cute PDF Writer. So I click this, and you're right, what it's going to do now is it's going to be pedigree view for, and then I can name who it starts with, which is Larkin Brown. Hope you enjoyed the video.